Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing something tiny, magical and super cute. Yes. It's a cute mushroom house. This is not an ordinary house. This is a house where fairy dreams live with just sketch colors, soft lines and little imagination. We will turn simple mushroom into a sweet little home. So sharpen your colors, open your imagination, and let's start this fun and fairy style drawing together. Okay, guys, our cute mushroom house is almost ready. Does not it look like a fairy might come out any moment? If you enjoyed drawing this magical house with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cute, easy, and fun drawing videos. Comment below, would you like to draw next fairy, unicorn, or magic castle? Until then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and never stop believing in magic. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.